All right. Yes, back to Samboan.
Okay, it turns out we catch the wrong bus, so now we pay 2 times. That is the number tip 1, is that always ask where your bus is going before you jump in, okay? Because there are different buses going the same direction, but they turn different, so... Okay, now let's see whether we wait for the bus or we go with this little car and get there faster, but we will see what the guys agree on. Okay, let's go, real Filipino experience. Woo! It looks like we're quite heavy, so the tricycle is barely taking us, but we are moving, that's the most important part. Yay!
We made it.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Back to home. Mark, show us your experience from whale sharks.
Well, experience, I must say, we spent a lot of time in the water, and you know what I really like is the fact I don't even have to come to them. I have to run away from them. Away from them. But definitely took some jellyfish things, I guess, on the side of the boat where I was. I just stayed there, so I was getting zapped. And I was like, you know what, I need to stay here because the whale sharks are here. But if I was smart enough, I should have swam to the other side of the boat where there's less. Because I'm the only one out of everyone who's probably suffered a bit more. You guys were like that way. Mm-hmm. But yeah, it was an outstanding experience and mind-blowing. If you ever come to Cebu, you definitely have to go down to Oslo because that's where all the fun adventure things, and yeah, definitely recommend it.
Good morning, everything is served and ready for us. And what we have this morning for the breakfast, as always, we got some rice. This morning they made freshly baked vegan bread. Super excited to try that. As well, always amazing fruit and yellow watermelon. Also some eggs. And we have meat on top this time, so bacon and some sausage. And the thing that's Filipino, and I don't remember now the name of it, but it's kind of salty and it still tastes like meat. So.
Oh, what a lovely host. Look at this guy.
It's nice and warm.
It's amazing, I just went into the open ocean to try out this boat that they have. Definitely pretty cool thing, and I'm not sure if he's getting out, but hopefully he is. Hey, we are back on our move because now it's time to explore the local area. Guys here said, oh, we're packed. Yeah, we're ready to go. But the guys here at the lounge said that this is the most beautiful waterfall in the area. It's also like 5-minute drive from here, so we will take tricycle now. And Ernie, one of the hosts here at the lodge, will join us.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, you just got our car. It's super easy here. You just walk out and they spot you, not you spot them. So it's very easy. We are 7 people in on this bike. Oh my God.
Okay, we made it. There we go. There is a briefing for this waterfall. Let's see what they do. Hi. Oh, there's a cute dog as well.
Here you can see level 0, level 1, and level 2. Normal days we have 8 levels, and you will do track here, but Because of the typhoon and all, because also of the close.
So ready? It's 30 pesos per person now. Usually it's 300, but as there is only level 0 and 1 accessible now.
Ernie is ready.
Nice and wet. Tommy, Johnny, 2 guides for all 5 of us. We'll have lots of fun. Who's getting favorite color?
So we are in level 1. You can only swim here.
We're going to level 2. Next, level 2. We made out alive. It was pretty cool.
Even in those 2 levels, it was pretty cool. Do you saw the big waterfall? So basically that is our trail where you need to go up, but because of the water, you cannot do that.
Yeah.
Too dangerous.
But imagine on a normal day if you could do that. Oh my, what a hike on a waterfall. So yeah, thanks. This was great. I hope you enjoyed all the views as well. And let's get back to lunch/dinner, I think now. I even don't know what time is it because
It's time to eat.
it's time to eat.
The sun is here in the Philippines. After 11 days of traveling, we can finally see the sun. And look how beautiful this place.
It's quite interesting. So now we are having yoga here at the same place, at the same Pacific Lounge Cebu Resort, and I can't wait. I can't wait, honestly. I think it's pretty cool. Just over here.
I started way back 2014, and then I started practicing my yoga practice or self-practice way back 2012, and I love it.
And now we are having this amazing meal, which is Voodoo Fight. It's traditional Filipino thing, fiesta you can say. And we're going to eat with our hands. They did serve us some plates, but let's try also to eat maybe with the hands to experience it to the fullest.
Amazing.
Yeah, it looks really delicious. So we're really excited. Let's jump on. You just left, and thank you for. Yeah, it was really good. We had the prayer, we did everything. The food was really good, so delicious. And we tried again new Filipino things. But now it's time to go to bed and bring you the new tomorrow again.